Hi guys, this is Ravi again. Yesterday I watched a Korean reaction, but today I want to make my own country reactions because we call the world's biggest democracy country. But what is a democracy? So many call the democracy means just a people. Yes, it's a people, but what's the meaning of democracy? I bought a book, The Constitution of India, 1 year ago, and I written and read a lot of articles which made by own or father of constitution, which we call B.R. Ambedkar. The B.R. Ambedkar and his team with 48 members, and the main person and the first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was written, and a democracy is the part of Ambedkar. He went all over the world and he taken more than 500 articles and written one of the substances and the biggest democracy country with the Constitution of India. But after the democracy, how many of you following the same democracy which made by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the greatest person which ever I heard of. But in the humanity of India, when he died in the 1960, even after, when was the constitution adopted in India, till his death in 1960, not even a single article changed fully. But after his death after 1960, more than 140 articles they changed into the politics as per the reactions. But today's politics, they changed whole constitution, and they saying still they are praising the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. But still I don't believe, and reading and writing the Constitution of India which made by the B.R. Ambedkar. How many of you still believe that B.R. Ambedkar was not accepted the casting system which are implemented now in education or even the jobs? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar instituted that as per the regulations at the 1950, as per the population and the poverty, he written only 10 years of act has to be held in the jobs or education. But till now, they are spreading the caste system in education and even in these jobs. As per the new regulation of Act in 2021, this year, they changed into a lot of resolutions. But how many of you still know the caste system and they in education or even jobs, as per the religious, as per the minorities, it was not valid under the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Constitution. So many call the when of the politics or even when the elections came into existence, they are praising the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. They are telling to people that B.R. Ambedkar was responsible to caste system. Yes, he was a poor person, but he studied hard. He went to America, he went to UK and studied the law and the constitution, and he came to India in 1945, and after independence in 1947, he implemented the constitution which made with help of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his members of 48 members. Even after the constitution, how many of you still remember the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Still the man who opposed to the caste system. He opposed the caste system. Even the first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was opposed the casting system in the jobs. When was the casting system was implemented? As per the regulation in 1947 Act, the population in 1947 is 36 crores of India. Population is, but how many of you still now the population is 137 billion people. Still how many of you still trying to implement that? That B.R. Ambedkar helping to reserve of implementation of casting system. Are you a real citizen? I still have a doubt. When was the last elections in my state? In 2019. When I was going to elect the new chief minister of my state, I was speaking the financial problems of my state. In the casting system, they increased to 60%. In India, more than 50%, 55% is casting system still is a problem. More than 30 crore females was not studying in the country. More than 60 people, 60% of people not even eating a good food. More than 90 crore people was not even have a single drop of water having in a day. How you are going to elect your governments? Are they giving you a person, or you are going to waste as a caste system? And question me as an Indian. I'm a patriotic person and I'm an Indian. I'm going to question you. Are you going to elect real leaders? Yesterday I watched a video. They changed into a spirituality and attacked the hero, which they like the hero very much. Are you called fanatism is a leader? Yes, he is a hero because he acted his job as an actor. But when he came into elections, why you are voting to him? Is it because of your fan? Is it because your fan can really help you? Is your actor can really help you to decrease the poverty, decrease your education system, or increase your jobs availability? I am to question you. The constitution of real India means when was the constitution of India really implemented? These words are still you have to notify. We the people of India have served and resolved the Constitution India, uphold the sovereignty, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of integrity of nation. These are words that B.R. Ambedkar was implemented. Yes, every religion has equality, every caste is equality. But equality means he has to get same quality education, same education system, same amount of jobs are available in this system. But in the caste system, how many of you believing that same caste of people are getting a same similar of jobs? Are you SC or SC or OC, whatever BC or is or undergraduate systems are there available in India? More than 1 lakh tribes are living in India, and more than 1 lakh languages are speaking in India. But 26 are the individuals. But are you getting equality? In recent years, more than 3 days ago, the World Health Organization, or you can call UNO simply as United Nations Organizations, India is a 144th place in the happiest countries. Still, governments are giving all free to the citizens. Cylinders, education, jobs. They are telling the so much infrastructure under the casting system or the religious system. Our Home Minister of India, Mr. Amit Shah, told when was the last elections in Telangana? From next elections, Christianity doesn't get any jobs. Christianity doesn't get any education, free education in India. Is this the equality which Ambedkar was resolved? Or which my state CM, Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao, was implementing the water integrated system? Are they real getting the integrated system? See, when was the rainy days in 3 months? More than a 1 billion water supply was in Telangana, in my state. But how many of you are using a particular water or even using 100% water? In India, as per the United Health Organizations, in India, only 10% are the cleanest waters in India. 90% are the polluted with carbon dioxide, hydrogen. There are a lot of acids which are using right now. They are decreasing the water, and even food resources are decreasing day by day. Day by day, they are requiring a lot of water. There's a solution for that. We are destroying the forests, we are destroying the wild family, which they are protected by the animals. We are destroying in India. Last 2 decades, more than 20 years, more than 60% of forest area has been degraded by which are the polluted, which are the governments of policies not even helping the world or even the people. I don't know why the democracy of India is questionable. This is the biggest democracy of India, which made by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his people. Are helping the politicians? Are you a real citizen that you are voting? I heard there's a recent elections I heard in Telangana, in Hyderabad elections, MLC elections, you can call. More than 6 districts, more than 20 lakhs people are undergraduated. You can call graduated people. But they voted just for 10 lakhs people are voted. In that, 1 lakh people has voted for not even valid as a casting vote. Are you a real citizen? And the election commission was proudly announced 60% people are voted till right now. But are the 66 people has really voted for the government? Because in 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs people was not announced. Means 50% of people was not voted. This election commission of India has announced 66% has been voted in the MNC elections. Is this the real India? Which is democracy? They call the democracy, they're saying in election commissions of India was really a democracy country or it is a liberal country, just like China and North Korea. See, the China is fastest developing country, which I can't praise because it was my enemy, because they killed more than 60,000 people in different wars in 1962. And my democracy is a democracy which means we acted. I'm questioning you. Are you a real citizens? Are you going to react on your leaders when they are waiting to ask? Please answer. Don't answer to me. Question to yourself. Question to yourself when you are voting. In India, more than 99% people are voting for a cash or even money. Thank you. I hope next time I am going to resolve each and every week. I am questioning you, which made by the true democracy made by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I am not making videos on which are made by the politicians after 1960, because after 1960 they destroyed my country and my people. Till now, 1947 till now in 2021, more than 60 lakhs people was died because of hunger and without a water even. I'm questioning again. Please protect the nation and please protect the democracy of India. Jai Hind. Thank you.